human being is communication. We need to communicate with other human beings to deliver information, express our emotions, present ideas, and much more. The key to communication is language. We need a common language to communicate, which both ends of the conversation can understand. Doing this is possible for humans, but it might seem a bit difficult if we talk about communicating with a computer system or the computer system communicating with us. But we have a solution for that: artificial intelligence, or more specifically, a branch of artificial intelligence known as natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing enables the computer system to understand and comprehend information the same way humans do. It helps the computer system understand the literal meaning and recognize the sentiments, tone, opinions, thoughts, and other components that construct a proper conversation. Here we will go through some of the application of natural language processing, so we can understand the importance of this subject better. 1. Email filtering. Email is a part of our everyday life. Whether it is related to work or studies or many other things, we find ourselves plunged into the pile of emails. We receive all kinds of emails from various sources. Some are work-related or from our dream school or university, while others are spam or promotional emails. Here natural language processing comes to work. It identifies and filters incoming emails into important or spam and places them into their respective designations. 2. Language translation. There are as many languages in this world as there are cultures, but not everyone understands all these languages. As our world is now a global village owing to the dawn of technology, we need to communicate with other people who speak a language that might be foreign to us. Natural language processing helps us by translating the language with all its sentiments. 3. Smart assistants. In today's world, every new day brings in a new smart device, making this world smarter and smarter by the day. And this advancement is not just limited to machines. We have advanced enough technology to have smart assistants, such as Siri, Alexa, and Cortana. We can talk to them like we talk to normal human beings, and they even respond to us in the same way. All of this is possible because of natural language processing. It helps the computer system understand our language by breaking it into parts of speech, root stem, and other linguistic features. It not only helps them understand the language but also in processing its meaning and sentiments and answering back in the same way humans do. 4. Document analysis. Another one of NLP's applications is document analysis. Companies, colleges, schools, and other such places are always filled to the brim with data, which needs to be sorted out properly, maintained, and searched for. All this could be done using NLP. It not only searches a keyword but also categorizes it according to the instructions and saves us from the long and hectic work of searching for a single person's information from a pile of files. It is not only limited to this but also helps its user to inform decision-making on claims and risk management. 5. Online searches. In this world full of challenges and puzzles, we must constantly find our way by getting the required information from available sources. One of the most extensive information sources is the internet. We type what we want to search and checkmate. We have got what we wanted. But have you ever thought about how you get these results even when you do not know the exact keywords you need to search for the needed information? Well, the answer is obvious. It is again natural language processing. It helps search engines understand what is asked of them by comprehending the literal meaning of words and the intent behind writing that word, hence giving us the results we want. 6. Predictive text. A similar application to online searches is predictive text. It is something we use whenever we type anything on our smartphones. Whenever we type a few letters on the screen, the keyboard gives us suggestions about what that word might be, and when we have written a few words, it starts suggesting what the next word could be. These predictive texts might be a little off in the beginning. Still, as time passes, it gets trained according to our texts and starts to suggest the next word correctly even when we have not written a single letter of the next word. All this is done using NLP. by making our smartphones intelligent enough to suggest words and learn from our texting habits. 7. Automatic summarization. With the increasing inventions and innovations, data has also increased. This increase in data has also expanded the scope of data processing. Still, manual data processing is time-taking and is prone to error. NLP has a solution for that. 2. It can not only summarize the meaning of information, but it can also understand the emotional meaning hidden in the information, thus making the summarization process quick and impeccable. 8. Sentiment analysis. The daily conversations, the posted content and comments, book, restaurant, and product reviews, hence almost all the conversations and texts are full of emotions. Understanding these emotions is as important as understanding the word-to-word meaning. We as humans can interpret emotional sentiments in writings and conversations, but with the help of natural language processing, computer systems can also understand the sentiments of a text along with its literal meaning. 9. Chatbots. With the increase in technology, everything has been digitalized, from studying to shopping, booking tickets, and customer service. Instead of waiting a long time to get some short and instant answers, the chatbot replies instantly and accurately. NLP gives these chatbots conversational capabilities, which help them respond appropriately to the customer's needs instead of just bare-bones replies. Chatbots also help in places where human power is less or is not available round the clock. Chatbots operating on NLP also have emotional intelligence, which helps them understand the customer's emotional sentiments and respond to them effectively. 10. Social media monitoring. Nowadays, every other person has a social media account where they share their thoughts, likes, dislikes, experiences, etc., which tells a lot about the individuals. We do not only find information about individuals but also about the products and services. The relevant companies can process this data to get information about their products and services to improve or amend them. NLP comes into play here. It enables the computer system to understand unstructured social media data, analyze it and produce the required results in a valuable form for companies. Conclusion. We now understand that NLP has many applications, spreading its wings in almost every field. Help decrease manual labor and do the tasks accurately and efficiently.